Let's learn clauses of reason. I want to help you, my learners. We learn everything. Look at the contents. What is clauses of reason? Clauses of reason are used to express the reason for something. What are they introduced with? They are introduced with because, as, since, because of, on account of, due to, for, the reason for, the reason why, now that. Let's look at these words or expressions carefully. We use because in such way. She took an umbrella because it was raining. Or, because it was raining, she took an umbrella. Pay attention to comma. We have some tips. Tip 1, because usually answers a why question. For example, why was he sad? Because he had failed his exams. Next linking word is for. She took an umbrella for it was raining. Tip number 2 for is like because, but is used in formal written style. Tip number 3, the clause of reason introduced by for never precedes the main clause. We can't say for it was raining, she took an umbrella. Tip number 4, there is always a comma before for in written speech or a pause in oral speech. Look at these examples. She took an umbrella because it was raining. Because it was raining, she took an umbrella. She took an umbrella, for it was raining. The next linking word is since. She took an umbrella since it was raining. Or since it was raining, she took an umbrella. Pay attention to comma. The synonym of since is as. She took an umbrella as it was raining. Or as it was raining, she took an umbrella. Pay attention to comma. Tip number 5. As and since are normally used at the beginning of the sentence. Next expression is because of plus noun. She took an umbrella because of rain. We can use because of with gerund. She took an umbrella because of raining. The next expression is on account of plus noun. She took an umbrella on account of rain. On account of can be used with gerund. She took an umbrella on account of raining. One more expression is due to plus noun. She took an umbrella due to rain. Due to can be used with gerund. She took an umbrella due to raining. If you use because of with the fact that we use clause, she took an umbrella because of the fact that it was raining. If you use due to with the fact that we use clause, she took an umbrella due to the fact that it was raining. If you use on account of with the fact that we use clause, she took an umbrella on account of the fact that it was raining. Now, that we also use with plus clause. Now that it was raining, she took an umbrella. There are some more expressions. The reason for plus noun. The reason for her delay was the fact that she had missed the train. Or, the fact that she had missed the train was the reason for her delay. The reason for "and" can be used with gerund. The reason for her being delayed was the fact that she had missed the train. Or, the fact that she had missed the train was the reason for her being delayed. The last expression, the reason why, we use with clause. The reason why she was delayed was the fact that she had missed the train. The fact that she had missed the train was the reason why she was delayed. Let's do the quiz. Question 1. 4. Or since the children are staying at their grandmother's, let's go out for the evening. The answer is since the children are staying at their grandmother's, let's go out for the evening. Question 2. He was an hour late because or due to he missed the bus. The answer is because he was an hour late because he missed the bus. Question 3. Because or due to the traffic, I arrived at the office late. The answer is due to the traffic, I arrived at the office late. Question 4. Tom didn't go to school today because for he was ill. The answer is because Tom didn't go to school today because he was ill. Question 5. They came home late because of the fact that the traffic. The answer is they came home late because of the traffic. Thanks for watching.